Hey everybody, this is Natalie, and today I'm looking at ChatGPT. I finally got around to it. If you are following along, if you go on, open the website to chat.openai.com/chat, it will open up a window. So I've been playing around with this a little bit, and here is the directive I gave ChatGPT. When you first open up the window, you will put it in right here. So maybe you entered in this and you want to do something else, or you want to add something, you can add it here, and it's kind of cumulative. So it builds off of each directive you give it. Now, if you regenerate or if you edit your command up here, it will change the output. So keep that in mind. I have two codes that I'm going to show you today. So this is the probably the longest code that I've seen for the command that I gave it, and that's kind of it's kind of strange, but anyway. So basically, what I asked Chat GPT to do was to parse an Excel document, and then if conditions are met in certain columns, paste that into a new document. So here is what I wrote. You can pause and read that if you want to. Actually, let me do that just for others that might not be able to read this. Write a Python script that will allow me to select a spreadsheet file and will parse that spreadsheet. And if a column named food has a yes, then add a column named name and column named address to a new spreadsheet and place it in the chats folder on the desktop. So I did create a folder named chats in order to receive this the output from this script. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Spider. So this is the code that we just saw there. Now earlier, the first code that I got was a lot shorter. It was this. So it does the same thing, just a different way. And if you know Python, you can do many things, many different ways. But this one I will have to change. If I were to run this one, I use the descriptive letter for the column instead of the column name. So I would need to change this to, well, here, I'll run it just so you can see. Okay. Okay, now I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, so it has a pop-up window and had me select the file, my Excel sheet. So if you look at this, it has a key error. So I need to change F. So column F was food. So that's the name of the column. Column A is name. And column I is address. Keep in mind when you're playing with ChatGPT, you might not have certain libraries installed, and you'll need to do a pip install on those. Okay, so that looks good. Let me save. Clear that out. Let's run this again. Okay, so I'm going to select my Excel sheet that I want it to parse. Chats, okay. Check parent directory. All right, let's take a look at that. Let me go look at my... Okay, so it didn't save on that one. Let's look at this. Okay. All right, so I don't think it's any of my libraries, but it is pointing to a directory issue. So let me look at the address. Okay, so if you look up here, it should be this address, or the first part of it. But right here, we can see that the chats, that address is incomplete. So we're going to fill in the address. Let me see what users. I think that would be it. Finish that up. That should work. Let's go ahead and save that. Okay, let me run this again. So I'm going to run it, and then a window will pop up, and it's asking me for which Excel sheet that I want to parse. All right, I didn't get an error, so let me check in my directory and see if it copied the file there. There, extracted data. Here we go. And it has everything that I need. So this script, I wanted it to go through my Excel sheet and for all of the bars that served food to copy down the name of that bar and the address. So I'll eventually have all of these in certain cities. So that's what I'm working on right now. But this looks really, really good. I'm very happy with that. This is, it's really exciting too. The only thing I recommend if you're jumping into this, you kind of have to think how a computer would want you to tell it what to do. So if you're not sure, go this weekend and watch 2001 Space Odyssey, and you'll get a better idea. All right. Okay, so let's look. I don't need that. Let's look at the. Okay, so as I told you, this was the earlier script. Here is the newest script that we just looked at in the window here. This one. Okay, let's look at this. All right. So let me run this. Okay, it wants me to select my Excel sheet. All right, now let's open up our directory. Okay, and there it is, output. So, and it has the exact same output, which is great. So this is awesome. This is going to be a lot of fun to play with. So, all right, well, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you again soon.